All last year, I traveled the region and I taught many of you in this room here today how to secure and win listings. Now today, I'm going to elevate that literally and teach you how to secure and sell higher end listings. It says here, the best way to predict the future is to invent it. Okay? That's a really, really powerful statement. Okay? Yeah, you do need to read the tea leaves. You do need to see the direction winds of change are going. But build something that becomes the future and perfect it and reiterate it so that everybody flocks to it, right? At Premier Property Group, we are going to redefine, build, and invent what the future of luxury real estate looks like. Years ago, when I wanted to get into luxury real estate, people actually laughed at me from other companies. They said, PPG is not a luxury brand. You can't sell luxury real estate there. Well, they don't laugh anymore. Our team closed nearly 60 transactions in the last year, over $1 million. Over half of those were over $1.5 million. And in the last 30 days, we've closed two over $3.5 million. So today, we are going to launch the Premier Property Group luxury brand. It's called the Platinum Advantage brand by Premier. Over the next 9 months, I will travel our region and visit many of your locations to share this brand. It's first and foremost going to be a training manual for you guys. I'm going to train you guys today on what it says, why it works, why you should use it, how it works, what sellers expect and appreciate, and why, as I've learned over the last 8 years. When you click submit through our fulfillment center, a package like this will go out. It will ship to their house. They will open it. Inside will be the Platinum Playbook. There will be branding. There'll be gorgeous black foam here that they can take the book out of, okay? It also protects the book during transit. Without further ado, let's see it. Perfect timing. He's excited. Oh my God. It really showcases the home, what's in the home, your branding, the Platinum brand, your information. It has that rider at the top can be changed out, just like many of us utilize, where it can say new on market, active, pending, sold. Price homes slightly higher than they will sell for. This is different than lower priced homes. Leave a little meat on the bone. Higher end homes, you should price them just a little bit higher. Pay attention to what the list price was when it went pending. For example, you could have a home that closed at $2.3 million, but it was listed at 2.6 when they got the offer. You should not price that home at $2.3 million. You're not guaranteed multiple offers. Leave a little bit more room on there. Okay, I'm not telling you to grossly overprice your high-end listings, but it is a different pricing strategy. Luxury transactions follow the stock market more than the mortgage market. Okay, that's different than the lower price point homes. About a month ago, we saw mortgage rates spike 0.5% quickly. Okay, that really slows down the lower price points, right? Higher price points are more tethered to the stock market. There's a lot of cash in high end. Whether it's all cash or a lot of cash down, a lot of times that cash is in the stock or equities market. So it is a little different. It is a little different than the lower end. And that's a great thing to talk about with your seller clients at listing appointments. That's it. Thank you guys.